You know, clothes don't just magically style themselves. They don't just magically, any more than a recipe, just by having a recipe, just makes itself. Clothes don't automatically just style themselves. We don't just slip them on and have them automatically look amazing. So we need to style them. We need to style them. There's been a whole trend on social media about styling, not wearing, and it's really about making the most of your existing clothes. So welcome. I'm so excited today to be sharing 10 styling tips for women over 50. These are ways to take your existing clothes and make them even cuter. If you're new here, my name is Netta. I'm a personal stylist. My whole focus is to help you make the most of your wardrobe. And if you are looking still to build a foundation for a wardrobe, if you've gone through some sort of transition with your life or with your weight or with whatever, and you're just kind of starting over a little bit, or you want to make sure that you've got all the boxes checked in your wardrobe, consider my Modern Classics Wardrobe Guide. It's absolutely free. You can download it at nettamanley.com/modernclassics. And it does have the essential pieces for 2025 that look modern and look fresh and are easy, everyday pieces that are really going to elevate everything you wear. So I'm so excited today to be talking about 10 styling tips that are going to make all of your outfits cuter. All of your outfits cuter. Okay, the first styling tip is to pair a dress with boots or booties. A dress plus boots or booties is a fun and fabulous combination. Now, I know you might be thinking, this isn't really revolutionary. Everybody wears dresses with booties and with boots. But the key here and the hack, the way that I see it, is that a classic dress or a dress that can look a little bit stuffy, a little bit boring, a little bit too classic, a little bit too predictable, often can be aging. And so if we take a classic dress and we combine it with a really cool boot or a really cool booty, we are giving that dress like a shot in the arm, right? Like we're just elevating it, we're making it more modern, we're making it more cool, we're making it more edgy. So boots are really functional, obviously, in fall, winter, but they're also really fashionable and they really keep the look current. So this is the thing. If you have a classic dress and you pair it with pumps, you're going to have a classic look. But the same classic dress plus boots is going to be a more modern look. So you can choose your lane, right? Do you want to be classic that day? Then you're going to pair it with pumps. You want to be more modern? Then pair it with boots or booties. So just a couple ways of looking at it. Midi dress works really well with booties, especially booties with a little bit of a heel. And this season, we're really seeing like kitten-heeled booties, which I think are a lot more wearable for many of us. And it creates a balanced and elongating silhouette, especially if the top of the booty goes under the hem of the skirt. You're just going to have a really nice long line with a midi dress. Knee-high boots are just a really nice pairing with and a natural pairing with dresses. So a knit or A-line dress with a knee-high boot, like a riding boot or a knee-high dress boot, is just a really nice combination. Again, you're taking those classic dresses and you're kind of updating them a little bit, making them look a little bit hipper. Okay, next, you can also do like a floral dress with chunky boots if you wanted to. That would be a really fun look. There's so many variations on this. Next tip. Belt your blazer or sweater. So often we've been seeing the last few years the slouchy sweaters, the slouchy blazers, the oversized blazers, the voluminous blazers. And if you have a couple of these in your wardrobe and you're just not feeling them, or if you're like, I need another way to wear this or to style it so that it looks more flattering, consider belting oversized pieces like sweaters and blazers. It really is such a great little styling hack. There are two ways to do this. The first is to belt on top of the blazer and the top, and maybe try a nice wide belt to create an hourglass look and really to elongate your torso, elongate your body, really add flattery. But you can also belt underneath a blazer if you feel like your waistline is being lost underneath an oversized blazer. Belting underneath a blazer is a really great little hack to make sure that you are not losing your waistline. You're really drawing the line across your waist underneath the blazer. So I really like a wide leather belt over a blazer. Now, if you are belting a sweater or a cardigan, consider a skinny belt with an oversized cardigan or sweater. It can kind of give a little bit of shape and define your waist and really you're not losing the softness in that look, but you're just adding a little bit of structure, a little bit of shape, a little bit of flattery. So I really love, and you can also consider whether your belt contrasts with your outfit or is the same color as your outfit, knowing that keeping it in the same color is going to be a little bit more elongating, but contrasting is a little bit more fun. So there's a lot of ways to style your blazers and sweaters and cardigans with belts. The next tip is to make it monochrome. Now, monochrome often gets, is often mislabeled. Like anytime you see a neutral outfit, people will say, oh, that's a monochromatic outfit. It's not, it's a neutral outfit. Monochrome does not need to be just head to toe black. Head to toe, any color, or head to toe shades of the same color is such an elevated way to wear a monochromatic look. So I think, pairing, different shades of beige, different shades of wine, different shades of blue is so elegant and really gives you that monochromatic look without looking flat and boring. So we're talking about really elevating that monochromatic outfit. So a couple of combinations that I think would be beautiful. Combining a cashmere sweater with silk pants gives you a really luxurious but still relaxed look. And if they're in different colors, they're the same color but different fabrics, they're going to have that really luxurious textured look. Now, another way to do this is to layer a leather jacket over a tonal sweater and pants. So that leather jacket, maybe that jacket is in your neutral color or maybe it's in an accent color, but over a sweater and pants in the same color. Super, super elegant, super elevated. Love this combination. The final one is to really incorporate accessories like a belt or shoes in a different texture than your outfit, but the same color. So wearing an outfit that is like, for example, textured and nubby like a sweater dress, and wearing it with croc embossed boots or a croc embossed belt or bag can be a great way to kind of combine textures but keep the color the same. Okay, let's move on to the next tip. The next tip is to switch cardigans for structured jackets. So I see a lot of cardigans, and it's so funny when we did an old people day at youth, all the kids came in cardigans, and I was like, what? Is this a thing? Is it that kids think cardigans are for older people only? Maybe. I don't know. All I know was that I was dismayed. But really a very easy way to elevate an outfit is to add a structured jacket instead of a cardigan in any of the outfits you're wearing. That doesn't need to be a blazer. It does not need to be a dressy jacket. It can be a denim jacket. It can be a bomber jacket. It can be a windbreaker. It can be any jacket with like a utility jacket. There's so many casual jackets in style right now. It can even be a layering piece like a structured or woven shirt. So switching out the knit for the woven, switching out like a drapey layer like a cardigan for a structured layer like a jacket is just an easy way to update your outfits. So let's talk about some examples for this. A cropped tweed jacket. I have been wearing cropped tweed jackets on repeat all fall and winter long. I love how well they layer over outfits. They look so beautiful with high-waisted jeans or trousers. It's a way that I've been wearing them a lot. So this high-waisted jeans and trousers look so much better with a cropped tweed jacket than it would with a cardigan, in my opinion. A leather blazer, I'm wearing a leather sort of blazer. I have a couple of versions of leather jackets that are not chunky. A leather blazer can really add edge to feminine dresses or skirts and be a really fabulous layering piece. Dresses and skirts can be really hard to layer with cardigans, so I definitely recommend trying jackets instead of cardigans with dresses and skirts. Denim jacket in a little bit of a fitted cut can modernize really casual outfits. Now, I know we've been doing denim jackets over outfits for years, but they change slightly every couple of years. So you might want to consider investing in a new denim jacket because it really can be that just finishing touch on a lot of your casual outfits. Okay, the next tip is to embrace statement shoes. Embrace statement shoes. I think we miss an opportunity. I know shoes are problematic. I know they're triggering for some people, but if you do not have a really hard time finding shoes that fit you and that are comfortable, consider investing in some statement shoes. They will elevate everything you wear. Any boring outfit, add a cute shoe, you've got a cute outfit. Any boring dress, add a cute shoe, you've got a cute dress. Like, it just is an instant elevator. So metallic loafers look really, really cool with tailored trousers and give a little bit of a different look than, like if you're wearing a pair of black tailored trousers and you wear a pair of black loafers, it's great, it's classic, it's fine, it works. But if you add a metallic loafer, you're getting a completely different look. Animal print booties, I love them. I've been wearing mine a lot to an all black or all neutral. It could be chocolate brown, it could be cream, but adding an animal print booty or shoe, often just the finishing touch that outfit needs. Bright flats or sneakers add a lot of fun, personality, and color to a neutral or simple outfit. So like if you wear sneakers a lot, consider sneakers in a bright color because all of your like easy everyday outfits are gonna look so much cuter. Okay, the next is next styling tip is to incorporate luxurious fabrics. Now, I think that we need to be wearing more natural fibers as we get older for a variety of reasons. First of all, it looks more elevated and elegant. Second of all, temperature control, thermoregulating. Anyone else getting hot or cold all the time? Like, it's just, I'm finding natural fibers to be a lot easier to wear most of the time. So I really have been wearing a lot of these. I am not a high maintenance person in terms of taking care of my clothes. I'm not dry cleaning everything. I'm not like delicately hand washing everything and then laying it on a bed of flowers to dry. I'm just not doing that. I'm not doing that. What I am doing is I'm turning everything inside out, washing it on delicate, often in a mesh bag, and hanging it to dry. Like, it works for me. I wear my silk, I wear my cashmere, I wear my wool all the time. Another little tip, you don't need to wash things nearly as often as you think you do. So cashmere sweater, I think, is a really beautiful and effortless way to elevate every casual outfit. Like, you're wearing a regular, whatever, acrylic sweater or cotton sweater, try pairing a cashmere sweater with whatever you're wearing instead. It just works with everything from jeans to skirts. I've been wearing mine so much. And with a brand like Quince making such affordable cashmere, there's no reason to not buy cashmere because of the price. Silk blouse. I do a silk blouse with jeans all the time. It's just such a go-to outfit for me. I'm like, look at me, I'm in my silk blouse. I feel so chic in it. I feel like it just makes my jeans outfits look interesting. Like a silk blouse, wide leg jeans, slingbacks. It's just perfection. It's perfection. A leather skirt or leather pants. If you want to add interest or edge to any outfit, any top, any sweater, if your top is a little classic, maybe it's a little borderline, maybe you're a little iffy on the print, add leather pants or leather skirt, and your outfit is, and your top is suddenly going to look very 2025. It's an instant update, instant edge, instant modernity to an outfit. So I can't say enough about the importance of having texture in your wardrobe. Okay, the next tip, modernize your accessories. You want to update your whole wardrobe and you don't want to spend $1 million? Start with your accessories. If you update your shoes, you update your bag, you update your jewelry, update your jacket or coat, you're set. You're set. Like, all your outfits are going to look modern after that. Combine modern accessories with modern classics and you've got a modern wardrobe. So let's talk about how that works. Like, one of the things that we're seeing in style right now is really sculptural earrings and geometric shaped earrings. So if you've got, your earrings are feeling a little dated, a little tired, you feel like you've got, they're a little out of style, consider a bold pair of sculptural earrings or a geometric shaped pair of earrings. Structured handbags, I just love structured. I know they're not for everybody, but if you've got like a kind of a blah bag, like it's just like a nothing bag, it doesn't really do anything for your outfits, it doesn't contribute a lot to your looks, consider a beautiful new bag in a cool shape. Now that can be a slouchy bag if you want, but I really like structured bags for elevating everyday outfits. Neutral tones or metallic finishes are going to make it timeless, and so you could spend a little bit more money on a bag like this because you're going to have it for a really long time. The other way to update your accessories is to layer delicate necklaces. We're seeing either layered delicate necklaces in style. We've seen them for years and years. That's no surprise. Or we're seeing really chunky statement chains. But they're very simple, but the size and the scale makes them a statement. So like, those are the two kind of easy necklace updates for the season. So if you want to modernize your accessories, you're going to modernize your whole wardrobe. The next thing, a styling tip, is to choose flattering necklines. One of the things that happens a lot that I see is that we wear things too high up. Obviously, if it's cold, you're going to need a turtleneck, or you're going to need a scarf, or you're going to need to button your shirt up all the way. But whenever possible, look at the necklines that flatter you and consider opening up a couple of buttons, creating a more open look at your neckline. It's going to be slimming on almost everybody and flattering on almost everybody. So V-necks really elongate the body, and so if you've got a proportional body type, your shoulders and hips are about the same. Consider a vertical neckline like a V-neck or a button-down shirt. Boat necks and scoop necks really highlight the collarbone, which is a beautiful feature on most women, and also balance out a stronger lower body where you've got more shape in the lower half of your body. So really look at the necklines that flatter you and try to stick to them as much as possible. And then, of course, wearing necklaces with necklines so that they look beautiful together is another way of just adding a little extra style to any of your outfits. Okay, The next tip is to elevate casual outfits. This is the thing, casual outfits don't need to not be cute. Casual outfits can also be cute. So it's not like, oh, I'm just going to be really casual today so I can't look cute, or I want to look really cute today so I can't be casual. There are just so many ways to insert a little bit of style into your everyday casual outfits where you're going to elevate them and really love the way that you look so much more. So instead of an oversized hoodie, for example, try a sweater. Like just going from fleece to a knit sweater is just an easy little tweak, an easy little update that's going to take your outfits from maybe potentially being a little bit sloppier to being a little bit more elevated and more transitional. Instead of leggings, try a pair of athletic pants, or even a pair of like what I call faux dress pants. Everyone is making them right now. Quince has them, Holara has them, Spanx has them, Athleta has them. But these are pants that look dressier than they are, but they're made of performance materials. So consider switching out your leggings for a pair of pants like this. They're going to be so much more versatile. You'll be able to wear them to a lot more places, and it's definitely going to elevate your casual everyday outfits. Finally, consider a pair of loafers or a cool pair of slides or a pair of ballet flats instead of like an athletic sneaker with your outfits. Now, you know how I feel about fashion sneakers. I love them. I feel like they make a cool choice in casual outfits. But if you're still wearing like your jeans with your workout shoes, consider swapping out those workout shoes for a pair of flats, a pair of loafers, a beautiful pair of slides, or even a fashion sneaker as opposed to an athletic sneaker. It's going to transform your casual outfits. The final tip to elevate your everyday outfits and to style your everyday outfits is to consider adding like a final finishing touch. Now that can be a belt, it can be a hat, it can be a cool statement ring, it can be, but really ask yourself before you leave the house. You know, they used to say that Chanel would say, remove one accessory before you leave the house. I'm going to ask you to add an accessory before you leave the house, because a lot of the outfits that I'm seeing are a little bit under accessorized. So if you feel like your outfit is missing something, ask yourself, could this use a belt? Could it use a hat? Could it use a scarf? Could it use a jacket? Could it use a statement piece of jewelry? Like add one final finishing touch before you leave the house. Even in your casual outfits, that's going to elevate everything that you're wearing and make your everyday outfits look a little bit more intentional. I really love hats, and I'm really excited about spring, summer hats. I've been wearing them a little bit in fall, winter as well, but they're really like that unexpected piece that makes it look like you tried a little bit harder and you put a little bit of extra thought into your outfit. But they're just so cool, and they're instant outfit transformers. So I hope that you like these 10 styling tips that can help you like all of your outfits more over 50. These are styling tips that you can use with your existing clothes to make them look cuter, to feel more confident, and to feel prettier every single day. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a like. It means so much to me. It helps more people to find my channel. I'm growing here, but I could really, really use your help. And so if you want to support my channel for free, just consider liking it. Don't forget to subscribe. Something like 50% of you are not subscribed. You watch, but you don't subscribe, and it would mean so much to me. And finally, hit share and share this video with a friend who might enjoy it as much as you did. So thank you so much. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.